Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows search won't stop and the search indexer service was utilizing 100% disk usage and is causing high CPU usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now the resolution is to stop the Windows search service from searching at that point of time. Okay, so to do this, we need to do it through the registry editor. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Now go to this key in the left pane, which is H key local machine, software, Microsoft, and scroll down to Windows search. A lot of users say that they don't find it. It is definitely there. You just have to scroll down and the list is in alphabetical order. In the right pane, there's an entry named setup completed successfully. If you don't find it, right click in the open space, click on new DO32-bit entry and name it the same. But since it exists on my system, I'll double click on it and change the value data to 0. Click on OK and reboot your system. Restart your system. Right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your system. This will definitely fix the problem. A lot of users have confirmed the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.